All right, B2B marketers, let's talk about a huge challenge, gating your best content.
It always feels like a choice, right? Get the lead or get the SEO traffic.
But get this, almost 40% of the leads you capture don't even read the content.
And that's the paradox. You get the lead, but you block Google and new AI crawlers. So the answer isn't gate everything or gate nothing. You just need a smart framework.
Here it is. Don't gate top-of-funnel stuff. Gate the valuable assets for serious buyers. This is crucial for AI search. If your content is gated, it's invisible. No rankings, no citations.
So how do we get the best of both? Well, it's all about the hybrid approach.
Publish a free article to rank, then offer a gated upgrade to capture high-intent leads.
But, capturing the lead is just step one. Now we've got to convert them.
Look at this gap. The difference between average and top landing pages is massive. Let's close it. You have to be ruthless with your forms. Just one extra field can absolutely tank your conversions.
You have less than 10 seconds. Your page must be crystal clear on the value proposition.
And get this, only 62% of people actually consume the content they download. What a waste.
The fix is simple. Give them the asset right on the thank you page. No waiting around.
Okay, now for the nurture sequence. This is all about providing value before you ask to sell.
Seriously, don't skip this. Nurturing is how you turn a simple download into a real sales opportunity.
So, how do we measure all this? Hint, it's not just about counting downloads anymore.
Use this framework. Measure activity, lead quality, actual revenue, and of course, your SEO impact.
And remember, the format matters. Interactive tools and original research, they just convert way better.
All right, let's wrap this up by looking at the mistakes that will absolutely kill your performance.
So don't gate your basic blog posts, don't pitch too soon, and please connect it to SEO.
The best gated content is so valuable, people are actually happy to trade their email for it.
So ask yourself, is your best stuff invisible to Google and AI? If so, you know what to do.